Babe, do you know that our friend Ati does not believe in finding love among the poor guys?
Really?
Yes, her eyes are on the son of wealthy men of the society.
For real?
Yes. Like any guy that is doing marvelously well, that's where she took her eye.
If that's the standard she has set for herself, she would search for a very, very long time. She would search forever.
You seem to be talking in
I'm
parables.
not speaking in parables, my dear. If a rich man wants to marry, where does he go to? He goes to the village, looks for a naive girl that will respect him, honor him, treat him like a king, kiss his neck.
No way.
Ati, can she do that?
No.
So you see what I'm saying?
Oh, I see why you said she might as well search forever.
Ati is a competition, and men do not like competition.
I see.
Point now.
Okay.
Fabi,
Yeah?
where are you going? Shut that route, okay? Oh, thank you very much. Babes, you're here.
Okay. Yeah, give me your account details.
Oh yeah. 312
Okay.
745 777.
Alright. What bank?
Hillary Bank.
Okay. Done.
Excuse me, I was wondering if I could get your phone number. I would like to see you some other time again.
Instead of you to go and look for money, you want to get my number. A fine girl like me.
It's not what I...
Driver wants to collect my number. Like,
For real?
yes.
Maybe he likes you.
Likes me. If that thought ever crosses his mind, that means he don't know his standard. And I hate it when broke boys ask for my number. Oh,
I'll be glad you didn't give him your
pisses
number.
me off.
But you didn't give him your number.
No.
Sure you did not.
Oh, no. You're 3 minutes late.
I'm very sorry. I had a flat tire on my way here. I'm sorry.
It's okay, let's go.
Alright.
Wait, you again?
Oh. Yeah, me again. Honestly, I didn't know you were the one.
Why must it be you?
Your order just came and I accepted it.
It's okay, let's go. Hello, dearest friend. How are you?
Greg is at it again.
Oh, what's wrong?
It's not something we can discuss on the phone.
Oh, what did he do?
When you get here, we'll talk about it.
Oh, Ati, did I tell you I'm coming to see you today?
No, you did not say so. But I need to see you. We need to talk about this. It's urgent.
Ati, coming to your place will eat much of my time and my activities that will not align the way I want today. It will affect me badly.
Sorry, but we need to talk.
Oh,
I know about that, but please, you need to come. It's very, very important.
okay. See you shortly.
Thank you, my dear friend.
Alright.
Bye.
Driver, change of address.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I need to see my friend shortly.
Okay, ma.
Let me have your bank details.
3107087722.
Okay. What bank?
Hillary Bank.
It seems the network is bad. The transfer is not going.
You know what? Just keep my card over. You can do it later for me.
Alright. Thanks for the trust. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
But I assure you, you'll see your money before the end of today. Alright, expect this transfer.
You see nonsense there now. You've seen nonsense there. Why did you never send my money now? Which kind of package be this one now? So she go send him money since. Till now, I never see money. Let's check with that, they will come. See, the money never still come. You know when they talk say no trust person, I go trust woman for all the whole creatures for this one. A woman I go trust. But I go mount for their house now. No. More is not even concern me. So which kind nonsense? Now why do you trust people? Small to I say make I trust person now. See waiting that happen now. I dey go that straight to go collect my money. Which kind nonsense be that? I be the whine me.
Who wants spoil my office? Who dey bang door like that? Ross, why they bang my gate like that? My office be this.
Who your madam be?
My madam be going for me. How now?
Enter house now. Come.
How you take the whole? I want to know.
Security boy, enter inside. Go call your madam. Come now.
Clement, what's happening? What's happening here?
This man, I don't know. I don't send it. He say you owe money.
Oga, who they owe you money?
No be you.
Wait, bros. So all this noise where you just make sense. Now invent.
Come on, shut up there. Shut up.
Ah.
I know what I'm talking about, but you're not the one that is explaining it.
It's okay. What's her name?
Look, I don't know what her name is, but what I know is that I dropped her here and she walked into this house and she didn't pay me. But she don't owe you, obviously.
Okay, hold on. Clement, open the gate for him.
Mama, are you sure?
Just open the gate for him.
Calm down, bro. You know who you go him on. Bros, you go to cool down, bro. You know where you go. Now you don't this time say you want to enter for me. I want to enter this one.
Calm down. I barely understand everything you're saying. Just explain better, bit by bit, so I would get what you're saying.
Listen, I just did my day. This ride come. You understand? I picked the ride. I carry her from here.
Okay.
She tried to do transfer. Network was bad. I said, okay, no way. Keep my details. Later you run her for. But till now, yesterday, I never received credit alert. If for this guy country, for this guy economy.
Just wait.
Ha! Now some people they do things. Don't be so. Ha!
Hello? Hush.
Hello there, how are you?
Just see, I want to ask you a straight question and I want you to answer me.
Okay, go ahead.
The cab guy that brought you to my house yesterday, did you pay him?
Oh my word. Do you know that I forgot?
No, it's fine. It's alright.
Okay, just hold on. Let me quickly send him the money.
I'll sort it out.
Okay.
She's my friend. Okay. So how much is the car fare?
12,500.
Your account.
31 277 5225. You can confirm it now. Thank you, that's it.
Clement, please lock the gate. Yeah, hello?
Hello?
Yeah, are you free to pick up something from me?
I'm not sure. Today's my free day. I'm not really working today.
Dang it. Do you have anyone you can refer to do the pickup for me?
Today? No, I don't have anybody in mind, do I say? In fact, what do you want me to pick up?
It's at City Restaurant.
So if I pick up from City Restaurant, where am I bringing it to?
I'll text you.
Okay, alright, no wala. I'll go there now. Hey, your food.
Come in. Come in.
Hi, this is your food you ordered.
Thank you for delivery.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I've sent you the money.
Yeah.
You can confirm it.
1 minute. Okay, just. Okay, thank you. You don't come.
Okay.
How did you get my number?
Oh, have you forgotten I've booked your cab twice and the number is online for the whole world to see?
Oh, not true. That's true. Yeah.
By the way, you look cute today. What's going on?
Oh, today?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, today's my off day. Plus, I have a friend's birthday party I want to attend, so that's why. Anyway, thank you. I'll just take my leave now.
Okay.
Thank you, Ma.
Wow. He's handsome.
Are you sure you don't want to take anything?
No, thank you. Fine.
So why did you come?
Okay. I just wanted to ask if I could work around for you. You know, pretending this my car business sometimes is not very lucrative.
Okay. So where can your cab go?
I don't have to do that kind of thing. Yes.
Okay, I see. Let's see how it goes. I've been thinking about your command of English. Tell me about it.
Let's just say I went to school, or you know, like the popular saying goes, school went through me.
That means you were fine with wording, in learning, and in character.
Okay.
Okay, it's nice to see you again.
Thank you very much for the audience.
Okay, take care.
Hello. Hi, Hilary. How are you? Yeah, I wanted to know if you're free to run around for me today. Okay. Okay then. You go to Crystal Boutique, pick up some hairs I ordered. Your job is just to go there. I'll give you the whole thing. Then you bring it over here. Okay. And don't forget, send me your details, okay? Okay. See you soon then. Thank you.
Hey, babe. How are you? What's up?
You didn't tell me you were coming.
Yeah, it's actually urgent. That's why I showed up.
What happened?
Smile now. What's up? Is everything okay?
Everything is fine.
Okay. Babe, I need some money. Like, I need like 5 M. You know, a couple of my friends that came into town. I just want to chill with them and stuff. Not like you're dashing me the money, right? I'm going to pay you back. I remember I haven't returned the 2 M you gave me. So, but at the end of the month, I'll wire you everything. Okay? Please.
Greg,
Yes, babe.
don't you think you can invest all this money you spend in drinking and clubbing into a business?
What's that?
You heard me.
You're not the one to tell me how to live my life.
I'm not telling you how to live your life, but where do you have to...
You don't talk back at me.
When did that start?
Hilary, stop.
Hello? Excuse you? Who is this one? Who the hell are you? Who is this one? Who invited this lizard in the meeting of them? Did you just touch me? Did you just touch me?
Like, see, life don't tire you, Abby. Yeah? This your dress we carry for your head. Don't do you any Abby. As you don't catch up so now, you don't nice. You know, go respect yourself, Abby. Listen, if you put your hands again on Ati, if I don't beat you myself, I'll gather boys. We go mend your matter. Do you understand? In fact, you know what will happen now? Go.
Back on the go. Ati, did you see? Are you seeing what you're causing?
Baba, you go on the go.
You get mind the thoughts, Greg. You know what? You see this your face where they make you they feel like say you be fine boy. I don't snap check out.
I go post am. If I post am, you go see the result. From now on, if they move, they watch your back. If I sell am give you, you no go feel resell o. They watch your back because only 2 eye you get. Watch it. Who be that guy?
His name is Hillary.
That's not what I mean. Who is he to you and what was he doing here?
Hillary is the cab guy that runs around for me. And as you can see, he came to bring something for me.
Ordinary cab guy. Ordinary kabu guy. Now he get mind, he mesmerized with my Ferragamo. Ah, Ati. If you see him again, tell him to go and thank his stars because I was in a good mood. Otherwise, if we just mop this floor because na chuk I for chook the guy body. Ati. Na because I love you. Na because I love you.
God didn't get to that.
Are you giving me the money or not?
No.
Maka, why?
Stop asking me why. I'm not giving you any money.
Don't you dare walk out on me, Ati.
You're hurting me, Greg.
And I will do worse than this. The next time you try walking out on me, you're not going to like me. What's up with you walking out on me every now and then? Don't you try it again.
You disgust me.
With love.
Babes,
What?
for the past 10 minutes, you've been talking about this guy. Hey, God.
So what are you trying to say?
I hope it's not what I'm thinking.
What
Posh.
are you thinking?
Posh. Posh. You don't fall in love with cab guy, Posh.
Me fall in love with a cab guy?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Uh-huh.
Do you think it's possible? God forbid. Look at me. Look at me. I have steez. I can't fall in love with a cab guy. You know that. Nelly, stop it.
Because your name is Posh, so you cannot fall in love with a cab guy, Posh.
Yes, I can't.
I don't hear you.
Sorry. Just mind your business, baby girl.
I don't hear you. I don't hear you. Okay, so when are we going to Artist's place?
I'm sorry.
Why?
I have few things to take care of later in the day.
You want to go see, man?
I don't understand.
You want
how.
to see your cab?
No. Just stop it. Stop it. Nelly, stop.
I don't hear you. Madam Cab.
Can you stop already?
And no one prettier than my woman.
I wasn't expecting you in my house today.
Come on, Ati. You're my woman, and I'm at liberty to visit my woman anytime I want. Do I need an ivy?
I know I'm your woman, but don't I deserve some level of privacy? Or what do you think?
You're right, Ati. Anyways, let's cut that. I am actually here to apologize over what happened. I mean, I reflected over it and I felt like, I overreacted. You know, that happened to me sometimes and you've been managing it. So I just want to say I am sorry and
It's fine. I forgive you.
Oh, is that from your heart?
Yeah, but I just want to be left alone.
How do you mean?
You heard me. I need some time to attend to my real estate business and to myself too. But it's okay. You can call me anytime you want. But coming to my house, won't happen again after today.
Auntie, why are you taking such rash decision over me? I mean, why? This is gonna be hard.
Yeah. Thank you for your understanding. That's the door.
Where is it? You in it right now? Auntie.
Back already? That was fast.
Yeah, good afternoon. Where can I put this?
Oh, good. Can we put aside this smile of a thing? My name is Atunike, Ati for short. You can call me that. It's fine.
Okay. Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Come
Okay,
have a
sorry.
seat.
Ati.
Yeah.
Well, I want to thank you for rising in my defense the other day.
Nah,
I really appreciate it.
it's fine. It's okay, don't mention, okay? It's just that I don't like seeing women being maltreated in front of me. It doesn't sit well with me.
Are you saying you would never beat a woman no matter what they do?
No, I will never put my hands on a woman. I mean, because of the past experiences as a child.
Experience. Can you share with me?
I would rather not, Ati.
Come on, Hilary. We're friends now. You can share with me.
Fine. My dad was a typical woman beater. He usually beat my mother in front of me until one day I stood up to him and we had a fight. He stopped ever since that day.
I'm so sorry. I shouldn't have asked. I'm so sorry.
It's all in the past now, it's fine. Yeah, it reminds me. I gotta go now.
No, wait. I have a nice soup in the fridge. I would like you to taste it.
Oh, Ati, please, I have pickups waiting for me to get. My clients are all waiting for me now.
Trust me, you will like it.
Maybe next time.
Is that a promise?
Yeah.
Your promise is recorded in my heart.
Okay. Thank you, Ati.
Yeah, take care.
Yeah. Hello, can you hear me?
Oh, Hilary. Good morning. How are you?
Hello? Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw a credit alert of 200k instead of 20k.
It's fine. The money is for you.
Yeah, my payment is 20k, not 200k. It must be a mistake.
The money is for you.
You know.
Yeah.
That means it's intentional.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, perfect. Oh, yeah, tell me now, what do you want me to buy for you? So I'll just hurriedly get them.
Oh, no. I'm not placing any order. The money is for you. Remember, it's weekend.
Yeah, the money is for me? Are you serious? Thank you so much, oh. Thank you very much. That's
You're welcome.
Yes, it's so kind of you. Thank you.
Alright. I'm going to call you later, okay?
Alright, ma. No problem. I'll wait for your call.
Bye.
Okay. Money on my mind. Yeah. 200,000 naira. Just like that. For free. Hey. When was the last time somebody just created money? For doing nothing. Free money sweet back. 200 day. Nothing. Because that's massive, babe.
Friendship, guys.
People judge people.
Auntie, this wine is really good.
Yeah, how much did you buy it?
It's just 190k.
Oh, what? That's expensive.
No, it's not for her. She can even afford costlier wine than this.
For real?
Yeah.
That's my girl.
Yeah, Auntie, I've been wanting to ask you. How about Greg?
It's probably death.
That sounds casual. What's going on?
Nothing. We have no issue. It's just that I'm tired of his woman beating lifestyle.
Did he beat you again?
Not really. But he tried to do that yesterday.
Why is that guy like that? Story has it that men that beat women do not make good husbands.
Who is telling you all this?
My mom told me. I researched it and it's true.
I've not heard that before.
It is true. Research has it that men that beat women do not make good husbands. They end up running away from their homes for a week, for 2 weeks, for a year, leaving their wives with the children while he's out there having fun with other women, people's daughters, maybe wives.
Nelly.
What?
You may be right.
I am
I'll
right.
make my own research.
You should, Posh. Posh, make your own research.
Rest.
Guys, why are you like this? Let's talk about other things.
This stubborn good. Yes, you're very stubborn. So, what's up? Are we hanging out?
Why you like to come out?
I don't understand. So make I not receive fresh air again.
I'm in, girl. I'm in.
Well, Auntie, you no try. You come out the last time, you no carry us.
When I not ready now. When I did the
Now this goat.
this.
This
You
goat,
get
man.
money.
That shit come on me for that house.
You
That
get money.
I no broke reach you.
Oh my god. Funny.
Men that beat women do not make good husbands.
Who is telling you all
My mom told me. I researched it and it's true.
this?
It is true. Research has it that men that beat women do not make good husbands. They end up running away from their homes for a week, for 2 weeks, for a year, leaving their wives with the children while he's out there having fun with other women, people's daughters, maybe wives.
Nelly was right. If I walk down the aisle with Greg, he's going to certainly turn me into a punching bag. And that's not the kind of life I want for myself. But I love Greg. Oh. The problem is that he's hot-tempered. What is happening to me?
Do I keep thinking about you? You have occupied my thoughts day by day. I'm becoming hopeless. Should I ask him out? No. That would be a letdown to my person. It will reduce my stress. So how do I get him? Yeah. I'll give him green light. Allow him to make a move. Once he make a move, that is it. The rest will be history. That's exactly what I'm going to do.
Posh baby.
You're so funny. Yeah, my dear. But that's it now. Like, how will a man be married and still be poor and you expect me to fall in love with him? No, never.
No, wait. So had you been the man is rich, you would have fallen in love with him?
Fallen in love? No. With a poor man? Oh, no. Maybe I would have accepted to date him.
Posh the bad girl.
You know how we roll.
Oh, good.
Babe, I'm hungry.
There's nothing in the fridge.
What do you mean?
Maybe later. We'll go out and eat something. What do you think?
No. I think I'm enjoying this conversation.
Right.
Why not we continue and order something? Oh, I have an errand boy. He'll deliver it to us.
I see. That would be nice. Call him up.
Okay. So what would you like to eat?
Where are you getting the food from?
Spontaneous restaurant.
Okay, let me see their menu.
Okay. Here. I would like to eat this.
No. Okay, maybe this for me.
This for you.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hello?
Hello? Yeah, I need you to pick something real quick for me at Spontaneous Restaurant.
It won't be able to happen immediately. I have something I'm doing at hand right now.
Why?
I have a delivery I have to go and drop off to one of my clients. And she's already waiting for me like this.
Hey, I can't wait, please. I'm so hungry. I can't wait to eat.
Madam.
Can't you just leave the person on and do mine? After mine, then you get back to the person?
This person is already waiting and I have her stuff here with me already. I cannot just keep her waiting like that. And this client is very important to me. I can't just abandon her work.
Wait, even when I told you I'm hungry and I need something real quick.
All these people, now so that they do.
Hello? Hello?
Unnecessary selfishness. So make I leave person in work to attend to your own. Don't be so now. Don't be so with the big things, I beg.
Can you imagine?
What happened?
He hung up from me.
Like your errand boy?
Yes. Can you imagine?
She and selfishness with that one. Don't be so human being to go to do things now. That this person work attend to your own because of it.
Posh, what happened?
This one stupid cab guy that used to run errand for me. I told him to go pick the food we just ordered now. He's telling me he needs to drop something for someone special to him.
Can you imagine?
Like, can you imagine? He's very stupid.
Hey.
I don't even know why I saved his number.
Just calm down. We'll be fine. Greg, you called. You said you have something to talk to me about.
Yeah, actually.
Alright, so I'm all ears.
I don't even know how to start saying this. I'm actually having some issues with Ati. I have tried to apologize, but she's still hell-bent on keeping me on arm's length. I mean, it's crazy.
So, what do you want me to do for you?
Okay, I want you to help me talk to Ati. Make her understand that I'm sorry for everything I did and I am ready to make amends.
I don't want to go into details of what happened, but I assure you, I will talk to her and get back to you.
That would be much appreciated. And I have a token for you if you succeed. Huh?
I hope it's going to be fat envelope.
Trust
I like money, Greg.
Trust Greg. Thank you.
All right,
see ya.
Bye.
Hey, I think we'll just do as you suggested earlier.
Which is?
I'm going out to get food.
Wow, the order.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome.
Surprise. I thought you said you want to deliver something to someone special.
Yeah, Ati is a very special client of mine.
Wait, did you just call your auntie?
Yeah, it's not a big deal, Posh. Huh? You know I don't really like presenting myself as all this boss lady and other reasons. It's fine, I'm okay.
Come on, auntie. This is an ordinary cab driver we are talking about. He run errand for me. Now that he's running for you, he should call you with some respect.
Yeah, it's fine, babes. I asked him to address me by my name and I'm cool with it.
Yeah. I think I should go now.
Okay, it's fine. Yeah. Bye.
What's going on here?
Nothing is going on. What about our food?
Pick up. Why is he not picking up? Is he at work or is with Ati? Let me call him again. Hello? Yeah. I've been calling since you're not picking. Oh, I see. The environment is noisy. Are you still outside? I wanted you to come help me fix something. Why? So when are you going to have time? Okay. So can we get a drink tomorrow? Okay. So when will you have time? Okay. Paying your bills is all about money, and I can as well assist you. It's playing hard to get. Let's see how it goes.
This is my spec.
So, now that you're here, after trying to get attention, what would you like to drink, eat? Do you need anything? Just feel free.
Look, Posh, I'm not in the mood to eat or drink anything.
Why? Is there any problem?
Yeah.
Feel free. Talk to me. We're not friends. Okay? Talk to me. What's the problem?
Look, something happened, okay? But I don't want to bother you about it.
No, please, feel free. Talk to me. What's the problem?
Okay. I have accommodation issues. Okay? And
That's not a problem. You can move in with me. I have many rooms in my apartment. So if you want my room, I will as well accommodate you.
no. Moving to the main building with you.
Yes, of course.
If you had like a boys' quarter, that would have been perfect. I would have managed there. But the main building, no.
It's like you didn't hear what I said. I said I have many rooms in my apartment and you can move in with me.
Listen, moving into the main building with you would be too inconveniencing for you. You know.
But I didn't complain.
Don't worry. I will sort it out, okay? I will just find a way. Okay? I'll look for a way. Well, thank you. Thank you.
People judge people. From the clothes which you wear, people will judge you, but your character defines who you are.
Moments ago, I called you, but you didn't sound well. What's the problem?
I have an issue.
Okay, tell me about it.
I have accommodation issues. The guy I was putting up with, he locked the apartment with my stuff inside and traveled.
Why?
We couldn't renew our rent. Okay, and the landlord went behind our back and collected money from a new tenant, and now they asked us to evict the apartment immediately. Look, it's not like I can't pay that money, but my car is on hired purchase. I just completed the payment, 12 million naira last week, and he left my account on a zero.
But you did the right thing. You know, business first. Don't you have any friend you can put up with?
Honestly, I don't keep friends at all, and that decision is best known to me. That's why I'm here, actually. I just wanted to ask if I can stay in your boys' quarter for the meantime till I figure out what next to do with my life.
My boys' quarters?
Yes.
I will think about it and get back to you. Okay?
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Fine.
This is my spec.
Madam. Good afternoon, madam.
Afternoon. Hey, Clement, I want to ask you a question. And I want a reasonable answer. If I'm your sister and I'm living alone, and a man said he wants to come and stay in my boys' quarters, what would you advise?
Madam, if you know the person, if you know him, and you know say nobody waka kukri waka for night, then maybe more. No wahala. As long as I say no go cause you wahala. No wahala.
Why?
Because he go dey there now, he go dey clean the place. Dust no go dey kill our walls, dey scatter our building for us. He go dey clean am, dey sweep am. It be good.
Okay. I've heard you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Take care.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hope say you don't chop.
Mama, I will later come collect food.
Okay, no
Thank
problem.
you.
Okay.
You are key to my heart. Giving my heart. I give you my body. I give you everything. You are key to my heart.
Bob,
From afar.
since he's not going to be staying in the main building, it's the boys' quarters. He can move in. Ati, are you doing the right thing? It's okay. He can move in.
Virgin love, virgin love. Sacrifice this love, make it yours. Baby, sacrifice this love, make it yours. Virgin love. To my heart, virgin love.
Look at the time. You are 10 minutes late, and it's not good.
I'm sorry about that.
It's fine. Let's go.
Wait, is that no Hillary's car in the compound?
Yes.
So where is he?
He stays with me now.
What? You brought an ordinary cab driver to stay under the same roof with you? Come on, Ati. You're bigger than that. Why not all those big guys that have money that will take care of you? Why ordinary cab driver?
Posh is not what you think. He's having accommodation problem, and I offered to help him stay in my boys' quarters, pending when he will sort himself out.
Oh, so he's at the boys' quarters now?
Yeah. Hold on.
Okay.
Let me get my bag.
Hello? Wow. It's a soft and succulent body.
Why didn't you knock? How you just barge into my room like that?
Because I know I was going to see something that will make my day. And I'm glad I did.
Look. Next time, before you come into my room, please knock. Okay? What do you want?
I can see you prefer a boys' quarter than a duplex.
It doesn't concern you.
That is what played out here. Are you in love with my friend Ati?
You expect me to answer that question?
Every question needs an answer, so answer me.
Well, on the contrary, this question doesn't deserve an answer, and I'm not going to answer it.
You're very intelligent, Larry. Allow me to make your day.
Hey. Stop.
Don't be a kid there.
Do I look like I'm interested in what you have to offer? Look, you can as well just leave my room now.
If you're afraid that he will walk in and see us, you can come to my place. In the evening, we'll have a good time for ourselves.
Thank you. I'm not interested.
Nelly, I appreciate what you're trying to do, but the fact is that I can no longer put up with a guy who will hit me at the slightest provocation. It's no longer going well with me. I'm ending it now.
Ati, he is sorry of his actions, and I saw it through his eyes that he is deeply sorry.
Yeah, he apologized to me and I've forgiven him.
Then, reconnect with the love of your life.
You don't get it, Nelly. This is a part I don't want to tow again. At least from now till further notice.
Greg loves you, Ati, and he is a changed person now. You can take my words to the bank.
At this point, his love for me is not enough. It can no longer serve as the damage control which he has caused already.
So what are you saying exactly?
What I'm saying is, I need a space, and he must give it to me.
Ati, please, be considerate. He is really remorseful of his actions and...
Nelly, I don't want to discuss this anymore. Please, just pass my message to him. I believe you understand me. Please. Bye for now.
Alright, I will do as you have said. Bye for now.
Can we go now?
Okay. Is there something you're not telling me about you and this cab driver?
What do you mean?
From what I can see, you have developed soft spot for him.
Come on, Paul.
Are you guys dating?
You know I have a boyfriend.
Why did you accommodate him?
I'm just helping him. He's frustrated and I offered a helping hand.
Why must it be you offering an helping hand?
I don't get.
It's okay. We're running late. Let's go.
Sacrifice this love.
Nelly.
Good afternoon, Greg.
Good afternoon. How you doing?
I'm fine.
Just tell me everything is okay now.
She's hell-bent on having some space.
Space. This thing is really getting on me. What do you advise I do now?
If you persist, but from the tone of her voice, she's considering on having another relationship.
With who? No.
I'm a lady, and from her body language, it's crystal clear that she wants to give another relationship a thought.
What? With who?
She wants to give another a thought. Sorry. Sorry.
Okay, thank you. Thank you for your effort. I appreciate it.
It's
I appreciate
fine.
Nelly.
It's fine.
We will talk.
All right. Bye.
I don't care what people are saying. This is my spec. The feelings is too strong. I can't resist it any longer. The love I have for you is killing me slowly. Virgin love, virgin love. Sacrifice this love, make it yours. Maybe sacrifice this love, make it yours. Virgin love, you are key to my heart. Virgin love, you are key to my heart.
Clement! Clem! Oh, you're here.
Now you be that.
Open the gate.
Good afternoon.
Afternoon.
No vex. My mother say make I no open door.
What?
He say make I no open door for no reason. No, I don't want to lose my job. I don't want to lose my job. He say make I no open door.
Clement.
Sir.
I'm telling you to open the gates.
I don't want to
Open the gates!
no vex. I'm not fit to.
I say open gate to the top.
I don't want to lose my job. My mother say make I no open door give you. I don't want you. I dey open door give you before now. If I not to supposed to understand now. I don't want.
It's okay. Come, I want to tell you something.
Okay, sir.
Come here, my friend. What? Tell me. Where's the key?
You don't give me.
Open the gate.
What does it? Go.
What's wrong with you? Auntie! Told you to get out of the way. What's wrong with you? Auntie! 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 Auntie, open this door! Auntie, look here! Open this door! Auntie, open the door. I know you can hear me. Open the door. Auntie! Auntie, open this door. Open this door, Auntie. Auntie, don't think this game has ended. I will come back. And when I come back, you're going to see the other side of me. Auntie, you will see the other side of me. Auntie.
Did he hurt you?
Madam, not really. Not really. But Oga Greg, no pity for me. If you see us do Oga Greg, they jack me. No pity for me at all.
Are you sure you're not hurt?
Madam, I go do okay.
Please, I want to beg you. Always leave this gate locked. Even if he wants to bring down the gate, don't open that gate. You can see how aggressive he is, right?
Yes, madam.
Please. Sorry.
Thank you.
Oh.
Thank you.
Even without asking him to fix my tire the other day, he took it upon himself to do it. Oh my God. He's so caring, protecting, and he's kind and gentle as well. Oh my God. What else will a woman be looking for in a man that he doesn't have? Oh my God.
think I like him. Ati, what are you thinking?
Wetin be this?
Wetin be what?
I did. Come.
What?
Are you aware that Greg and Ati, they are having serious issues?
No.
How you go know when they press phone?
Talk to me, Joe. Wetin happen?
And if care is not taking it to collapse their relationship.
Wait, who told you about this?
Greg told me about it and I confirmed it with Ati.
Amebo.
I hear you.
What exactly is your problem?
I guess he tried to hit her again.
What? Hit her again?
They dear now.
Wait, does it mean as a man he cannot control his temper?
He's not a man something. Some people are like that. Once they get angry, they get out of control.
It's true. But it's not enough reason for them to end their relationship.
Exactly the point I told her. When I called her today to talk to her on behalf of Greg.
It's okay. I'll call Ati and confirm and see how I can weigh.
Weigh in? As in Madam Where?
Yes.
Wetin concern you inside this matter now?
I want weigh in.
Now you sabi, abeg, when you weigh in finish, you let me know. You know how we roll.
I know.
Abeg, wetin dey this your house a person fit chop?
Chop ke. Hunger go kill for this house.
So you wan kill me now? You wan kill me? Common food you no fit cook for your house.
Abeg, get that.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Okay, I'll see you in the evening.
Alright, no problem. I'm gonna put your head.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Hello, Hillary. I want you to run an errand for me. Why is it not possible? Wait. Don't tell me you now select people you run errand to. What is it there not to understand?
Yeah.
So wait, if it was my friend Ati, would you tell her that you're not feeling strong?
Okay.
Don't you dare raise your voice at me. We are not on the same level, okay? Don't talk to me in that manner. Hello? Hello? Wait, did he just hang up on me? And this is the second time this guy is hanging up. This fool has some pride in his head. What did I even see in him? That guy is very rude and mannerless. And I hate it when poor people disrespect me.
Gosh, calm down and explain what really happened.
I called him to help me pick something at the boutique. He said he wasn't feeling fine.
He said he wasn't feeling fine?
Yes. Oh, maybe that's his own way of declining my request. Then I jokingly said if it were Ati, you'll do it for her. That idiot flared up and said he does not have my time.
He said that?
Yes, you can verify my claims from him.
This is serious.
Yes, that wasn't enough. He hung up the call on me, and this is the second time he's hanging the call on me. I hate it. You better be careful with that boy before he rape or steal from you.
No, Posh. Hillary is not that kind of person.
You trust people a lot. I don't like it.
Just give me a minute.
You are key to my heart, virgin love. You are key to my heart, virgin love, virgin love, virgin love. You are key to my heart, giving my heart, virgin love, giving my body, I give you everything. You are key to my heart.
I think he's here. Welcome.
You didn't sound well over the phone.
Yeah, sit.
So what's up?
I noticed you're having a crack in your relationship with my friend Ati.
Yes.
What if I tell you I know the cause of the crack?
What could be the cause?
There's another guy in her life. Though she's pretending she have nothing to do with him, which I believe from the onset, but the guy moving into her apartment, that's what confirms to me that they are having secret affairs.
If I make it correct, you're saying that my auntie, my woman, is staying with another man in her house.
Exactly, yes.
Auntie is living with a man in her house.
Yes.
Who is the guy?
Just sit. Let me.
Who is the guy? Just tell me.
Sit. Let me get you a drink. I will tell you everything you need to know. Just sit. 1 second.
Ati Nuke. I don't want to kill someone, but if you make me do that, the blood will be on your head.
After this night, Hillary will be far away from Ati, and I believe you'll come back to me. I know the game more than Ati, and I'm going to play it to the best of my ability. The game is still on. Let's see who will win.
Greg, what are you looking for in my phone? Give it to me.
Can you shh for 1 second?
Oh my God, what's the meaning of this? This is not fair. Please let me have my phone. Let me have my phone.
Ati, kneel down.
What?
Kneel down.
You're holding my phone.
You know what? I want that guy to leave this house right this minute.
This is my house. I decide who leaves and who stays. He's not going.
Oh. Maybe I should just kill him and make it look like you're the one that did it. On my own terms. Is that what you prefer?
Greg, please, why are you doing this? He has nowhere to go. If I kick him out, he'll be homeless.
Do I look like I care? Do I look like I give a... Huh? He can sleep on the street for all I care. I just want him out. That guy wants to put us aside. And I'm not letting that happen. Do you hear me? You have 10 seconds and that 10 seconds has elapsed. You know what? Stand up. Stand up and stop playing dummy with me. You think you're going to be playing smart with me? If you move, I'll blow your head out. Now, leave out your hands. Blow your brains out. I won't move, please. I won't move. You are one! Please. Please. Look, please don't hurt me. No, don't.
Who are you? Where did you get gun from? Hillary. How did you know I was in trouble?
I heard the loud scream from outside.
And you put this through?
What did you expect? Who's that guy?
It's my boyfriend.
That's a boyfriend? Really? How long have you two been dating?
For about 6 months now.
Does he beat you?
Yes.
Yes. And you're still with him? It's not you, he kills you. Eh? We'll not do injustice for Ati.
Are you an advisor or a criminal?
Whatever one you choose.
You made me believe it was a criminal.
I had to do what I have to do, alright, to get him off your skin. I mean, that guy is very dangerous.
How did you know I was in trouble?
I heard voices.
Come in. Posh baby! I'm fine. Good morning. You look all good. Sit.
Okay.
Yeah, I wanted us to have a discussion.
Discussion?
Yes, and it's very important.
And what is it about?
I want us to talk about Hillary. Aside Hillary turning down your order the other day, is there anything between the both of you?
Babe, initially, I don't want to talk about this with you.
Okay.
But as it stands now, I just have to get it straight. I want him. And he asked me out first. He prefers you now because I turned him down.
So, I had a discussion with Hillary. He told me he's a graduate of tech engineering, that he's working on building an app. So I lent him 50 million to build this app.
What? You did what? You gave a total stranger that huge amount of money.
Posh, there's nothing wrong in helping people realize their dreams.
There's nothing wrong.
No.
So, tell me, how did it go last night?
It's just on deadlock.
You mean you did not succeed?
It is what it is.
Tell me, what really happened?
I was in control.
Okay.
To the extent that she almost chased the guy away. All of a sudden, a gunman showed up from God knows where.
A gunman?
Yes.
Who is that gunman?
I don't know. He almost shot me. If not that I left on his order, that guy would have shot me. It was a close range behind me.
Oh, you're going back tomorrow, right?
No, not again.
So don't tell me you want to sit here and watch that fool take your woman away from you. Oh no. Wait, what will your friends even say if they heard something like this? That an ordinary cab driver took your woman away from you. You, Greg, of all people.
You have a point. Yeah, I think you have a point there.
Yes, I do.
My homies are going to be disappointed. They will laugh at me.
So the question here is, do you want them to laugh at you?
No, never. I will not let that happen. I won't.
That is the spirit. Now you are talking. Fight him. Continue to fight that fool, that Uber driver, till you defeat him.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
What is going on? Ever since he left my house, his number has not been going through, and I've been trying to call him, but his lines are not going through. Oh wait, did he dupe me? No. I don't even know what to think. Is he okay? For Christ's sake, what's going on?
Drink, dear friend. At least to drink your sorrows away. I warned you about this guy. You didn't listen to me. I met this guy before you. Even when he asked me out, I turned him down. Now see what you landed yourself into. Just look at yourself.
I thought it was real.
I thought it was real. I knew it. I knew that was your thoughts. I warned you about this guy. Now just see. 50 million naira gone down the drain just like that. Eh? This boy is wicked though. Now God go punish him. Hey! Drink. Just drink. Drink more.
I regret everything. Everything.
I understand. Just drink.
Yeah. How are you?
That's good.
This evening, there's no time. Just open the gate.
What is wrong with you behaving like Philomena? Open the gates.
I'm sorry. I love you open gate. I love this. I love you too. I don't want to lose my job, bro.
You realize I can give you a better job. Open the gates.
Me, I like my madam. I love you open gate too.
You see you, this is your behavior. One day and now, this is your piece. I'll shave it. Open the gates. Open the gates. I go climb here. Open this gate and stop behaving like a Philomena.
Me have been the open gate for you now.
I'll just climb.
If you I go shout, I go
If you climb that fence, I'm going to record you and send to the police, and they will tag you a thief. You know what it is. You will go to jail.
Baby, please open the gate. I just want us to talk, please.
I have nothing to talk about with you. Please leave. It's only a thief that gets access into somebody's compound through the fence.
My love, I just want to talk to you, please. Just one last time. Please. Can you just open the gate?
Rick, leave. I don't want to see you anytime soon.
Okay, okay, maybe I should just go and come back later. Is that fine?
Don't ever come. It's not needed.
Auntie, please don't. Auntie, please don't go. Auntie Luke! You see you. He see you.
You go with you.
You see you.
Does it mean I'm not lucky enough in terms of relationship? Right before my eyes, Greg turned into an animal, constituting nuisance here and there. And he's obviously not the kind of man I want for myself. And on the other hand, Hillary disappeared into thin air. Nowhere to be found. What is wrong with me? I'm going crazy. What's going on with me?
Babe, I'm glad you've finally forgotten about him and moved on with your life.
Who said I've forgotten about him? Hillary is a hard decision for me.
What do you mean? Well, I'm glad you took the right decision.
I don't know. I don't just know.
You don't know? What do you mean you don't know? Wait. How do you mean? Have you forgotten that he stole from you?
Posh, it's not about the money here.
So what is it about?
It's about how I feel about him.
Wait. Is there something you're not telling me about you and that guy? Can you please let the cat out of the box for once?
That's a story for another day.
Are you expecting someone?
No. Hillary.
Auntie, look, I can explain. Okay, I promise you I can explain every bit of it. Look, babe, I can explain. Okay, listen.
Hey, you again? What are you doing here? After taking my friend's money, did you come back to take more?
Posh.
Huh?
Posh. Just
wait. Let me talk to this ungrateful element.
Babe,
how dare you come back here after taking our money?
Babe, can we please talk? Babe, please.
It's fine.
Excuse me, babe, let's talk. I'm very sorry. I can explain everything that happened. Okay, I didn't run away. Look, I misplaced my phone on my way to Abuja. I didn't have your number of her to call you and to explain what was going on. I tried to get it back, but I couldn't. Listen, I'm sorry, okay?
It's fine. I forgive you. Yeah. Now that you've explained, I forgive you. Okay? It's okay. So tell me, the business you went for, how did it go?
The business.
Mm-hmm.
It was super successful. The money you gave to me tripled.
Wow, that's good news.
Luck has finally shined upon me.
That's good news!
Of course it is, baby. Of course it is.
Yeah.
Look, you know what we're going to do now? We're going to go in there and wear something cute and we'll talk about everything on our way to the restaurant or something, okay?
No, I'm dressed already. I just need to put on my heels, then my handbag.
Perfect.
And we're on.
Perfect.
From afar, people judge people.
Have you forgotten that you asked my number first?
Oh yeah, I didn't forget though. I didn't forget.
Okay.
Your number. So you know there's camera here, you know, yeah? I think can see us. Feel like the absence. Babe!
Virgin love, virgin love. Sacrifice this love, make it yours. Maybe sacrifice this love, make it yours.
There's something that
Virgin love, you are key to my heart. Virgin love, you are key to my heart. Virgin love, virgin love, virgin love, you are key to my heart. Giving my heart, virgin love. What people are saying. This is my spec. The feelings is too strong. I can't resist it any longer. The love I have for you is killing me slowly. Virgin love, virgin love. Sacrifice this love, make it yours. Maybe sacrifice this love, make it yours. This love.
Hey, stop posting for free. Your videos are worth millions. That's right. Every view, every like, every share on your videos should pay you. At Aforevo MCN, Africa's #1 YouTube partner, we turn your creativity into cash flow. From YouTube to TikTok to Facebook, we handle the stress while you watch your money grow. Creators working with us are already cashing out, some earning millions just by doing what they love. With channel monetization, brand deals, translation into different languages, and video protection from illegal use, we make sure you win. Don't just create for fun. Let your creation earn you lots of money. Join Aforevo MCN today. Start by sending an email to marketing@aforevo.com or call +234 816 992 5722. You can also visit our website mbi247.com. Aforevo MCN, your home of content creators.
Make it yours. Virgin love, you are key to my heart. Virgin love.